create a character introduction video like that, we can use the Kinemaster application. From Kinemaster, create a new project. Create a project name. In this video, I will use landscape mode. If all settings have been adjusted, select Create. Add a clip to Kinemaster. On the selected video clip, select Trim or Split. After that, determine the duration of the frame to be freeze. If you have found the right frame, select Split and insert Freeze Frame. On the freeze layer, I will make the duration 5 seconds. The captured frame will automatically be stored in the Kinemaster capture folder. In this photo capture, we have to delete the background and make a stroke on the subject side. If you don't understand how to make an outline photo using a cell phone, watch the tutorial on this channel about how to make the outline using the Pixel application. On the freeze layer in Kinemaster, I'll insert the BO4 filter from the basic options. In this tutorial, I've edited the capture photo, adding the stroke and removing the background. And now I'm going to add that image to a new layer. Adjust the position and scale of the image so that it fits the background. Extend the duration of the image layer according to the freeze layer. The next step, touch the lock icon on the left. From this setting mode, we can create keyframes to animate the image. To animate zooming in the photo, create a new keyframe at the beginning. Swipe to the next few frames, then create a new keyframe. Zoom in the image with 2 fingers. Create a new keyframe for the end animation. After that, create a keyframe at the very end. Return the image scale to be normal. For in animation, I use the fade effect with the duration of 0.5 seconds. And for the add animation, I also use fade effect with duration of 0.5 seconds. The next step is adding splash images. If you don't have them yet, you can download those splash images. I will put the download link in the description. For the first one, I'll add a layer and add the red splash. Enlarge red splash image and adjust the position. For in animation, I will use the slide right effect. Equalize the duration of the red splash layer with the freeze layer. After that, touch the 3 dots in the top left corner, and then select Send to Back. For add animation, I use slide left. The next step, add white splash. Zoom in on white splash. And set the position. For in animation, I also use the right slide. For add animation, I use slide left. After that, touch the 3 dots in the top left corner. Select Send Backward. For the background on the text, I'll add a black splash. On this layer, I place the duration after the red and white splash appears. For in animation, I use slide right. In this black splash, I'm going to flip horizontally. Set the placement of the black splash. For in animation, I will use the slide right effect. I will change the duration of in animation to 0.5 seconds. And for the add animation, I use slide left. Press the 3 dots again, then select Send Backward. The last step, add text for the character name. For example, I will type Luciana for this character's name. Select the font type for the text. For in and out animation, I compare it to the effect I previously used for splash images. If everything feels right, export the project to video. That's how to make a character introduction video using the Kinemaster application. Thank you for watching. See you in another tutorial video.